I sat within a valley green. I sat there with my true love. My heart strove to choose between the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new that made me think on Ireland dearly, while soft wind blew down the glade and shook the golden barley. Hard the mournful words to frame, to break the ties that bound us, but harder still to bear the shame of foreign chains around us. And so we said the mountain glen, I'll seek it morning early, and join the brave united men, while soft wind shook the barley. 'Twas sad I kissed and weeped tears, her arms around me clinging, when to my ears that fateful shot came out the wildwood ringing. The bullet pierced my true love's breast in life's young spring so early, and lie upon my breast she did, while soft winds shook the barley. I bowed her to some mountain stream, and meddled the sour blossom. I placed the branches soft and green about her ghost-stained bosom. I wept and kissed her clay-cool corpse, then rushed availing verily my vengeance on the foe to back, while soft wind shook the barley. 'Twas blood for blood without remorse I took at Goulart Hollow. I placed my true love's clay-cold corpse where mine foes soon may follow. Around her grave I wanted me noonlight or morning early, with aching heart when here I am, the wind that shakes the barley.